Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to warm up for tomorrow's cook off. Okay, for the November's cook off, which is going to be of 3 hours. So we are going to warm up by solving the previous September cook off question, which is the problem code is here, which is of division 1 September cook off. Okay, so basically this is the problem over here. So there's this zebra crossing and we have with this n blocks in it. The colors of zebra crossing is represented by a binary string s. Okay, so this is the question. So the input format is going to be, first we have to get the variable t for the test cases. Then the first line will contain integer n and k, and then we have to give the binary string of length n denoting the color blocks of the zebra crossing. Okay, so here we have the sample input 1, so let's copy to the clipboard, and here we have a id setup. So this is my boilerplate. Okay, so let's start. So first let's define some functions over here. A space and then let's send this to tie null, and see out tie, which is also null, and then we have to create an integer. Okay, let's take t and take an input, and this is the value for the test case. So let's get the while loop for the test case. And now what we'll do, we will declare two variables which are going to be n, k. Then let's take input for n and k, and then let's form a string value for s, and we are going to also console in the value of s. Then let's form a vector. Never use the snippets. Pair int value int, close the vector part, close it again. So this is the vector which we have created with the pair of these integers. So now let's push back some values. V dot push back, and then let's take from the s value. So s of 0, the first element, then we are going to subtract the value of 0, and then form an integer 0. Okay, so first character and then an integer. So now let's close it, push back value, and then let's form a while loop, for loop, sorry. So now what we have to do, have the for loop ready. The value should be 1 over here, and then I should be less than n, and then what we have to do, we have to then add some conditions over here, that if the value of s I minus character 0 is not equal to, wait a second, we don't have to, so is not is equal to, wait a second, what we have to do here, not equal to the value of back, I guess, back, and then to the dot first. We're going to apply the method first over here, and then wait a second, and then to close the bracket, and we have to push these values. So v dot push back the value such that s of I position is going to be of character 0, not integer 1 by I. Okay, so this is for the first condition. Let's add null condition over here. Here what we're going to do, this the size of v size is equal to the value of I. Okay, so we have the else condition also done. So now the for loop is completed, the loop section, and now what we have to do, we have to declare a variable of the size of the vector. Then again we have to add a condition that if it's greater than k, we have to take some more conditions over here. If k percent is equal to 0 and v of 0 dot first, the first value of the first of the vector, first position of the vector is equal to v dot back section of the first. And then we have to make an OR keyword for like and then here k percent 2 is equal to 1 and v, the first element, the first character of the first element is going to be it is not equal to v dot back first. This is the main section of the code over here. So I think that there's no mistake over here. So yeah, let's add what we have to do in this condition. We have to print out the value of n and the line, and then what then we have to print the value. So em q dot second increment value and l over there. Okay. Or else what we can do here, So this conditions over here, so if m is greater than k, we will apply these conditions, or if it's not, in what condition we are going to apply. So then we have to just print out the value v m minus 2. No, we have to just like handle the value, and then what we have to do, I guess the answer is pretty much it. So let's add a custom input over here, and what we have to expect, 6, 2 and minus 1. So let's run. There's some error over here, error expected primary expression before this. Let's see what the error is. So here it is saying that in this value, error expected primary expression token this app dot first. So there was, I guess, this runtime error. This saying invalid operands, an overloaded function type to binary operator. Int 32 in function v minus 2 v minus 2. Oh, sorry, we have to print out the value. I guess there should be no errors. So yeah, as you can see, this is the output over here. So I guess the answer is pretty much sorted. Let's submit a program. I guess all the condition are settled. We have did it before 0.5 seconds of runtime over here. 0.7. So as you can see, this is the correct answer over here. So this is the solution code and this is the problem code. Okay, you can check this code over there. So yeah, this was basically a warm-up for tomorrow's cook-off challenge, which is at 9 p.m. Okay, so I hope all of you are going to give the cook-off challenge, and the day after tomorrow is going to be a starters 18. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful or you got to warm up for the challenge. Then please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.